Qurk and MRPeasy. Powerful inventory needs smarter reporting, and that's where we come in. Even with MRPeasy, your data is still scattered across accounting, e-commerce, and CRM tools. That means hours wasted on manual reports, disconnected numbers, and missed decisions. Qurk plugs directly into MRPeasy and connects your full app stack. Get hundreds of interactive KPIs, visual dashboards, and filters by product, location, customer, or time period instantly. But we go further than dashboards. Ask Qurk AI anything and get instant answers. Get notified on trends, low stock, or data gaps. Validate your numbers across apps and drill into the root cause without chasing spreadsheets. Qurk adapts to your business. We build custom workflows, evolve from your feedback, and give you clarity without complexity. No analysts, no code, just answers. Qurk and MRPeasy. Plug in, power up, and report smarter today.